Hi, I'm Soumya from Gulf Properties and today I'm standing at Dwarka Sector 8. You can get schools, hospitals, markets and metro station just within 500 amenities. This is our front elevation, just look at it, how beautiful it is. Step into a world where luxury meets comfort. With spacious modular kitchen, Italian fittings and premium interiors, every corner reflects elegance. HK isn't just a house, it's a statement. Dream home deserves nothing less than perfection.